Hello. The next part of our lookups training is we've now dealt with doing an approximate match using V and H lookups. Now we're going to look at in what situation would we use an exact match. So in your lookups workbook, but in the exact match worksheet, you will see on the left we have a rate table. That is our reference table. It rates the different ratings with a corresponding numerical score. And again, I'll emphasize that this reference table can be in another workbook or another worksheet. But for the purpose of the exercise, we've put it in this particular worksheet. On our table that we're currently working with, that we need to now create the formula, we've got our name, our rating, and we want to look up the relative numerical score based on the rating for each of our staff members. So in order to do this, we will start with a VLOOKUP, and we'll do it the exact same way as we did our previous one to show you where the issues may lie. So we're going to start off by doing a VLOOKUP. Our lookup value is our rating. That's the information we currently have that we can look up in our reference table. Our table that we're going to go look up this information is this particular table over here. Note that I'm not including the heading of that table purely because the cells are merged and it could create a little bit of chaos in our functions. Don't forget that when you select tables with lookups that you plan to copy down, you need to lock them using the F4 button on your keyboard. Then it'll say which column number will I find my numerical score. Again, it's not the Excel column name, which in this case would be B. It's in which column number of your table would you find the numerical score, column 1 or column 2. In this case, column 2. And if we had to select the same as our previous function, approximate match, you will notice that although it brings back data, the data is not accurate. So for example, John Smith is a rating of fair, but he got a numerical score of 99, and technically he should have received 71. The reason for this is we chose an approximate match. So it will look for fair, and it'll stop at the first thing that looks as similar to fair as possible and bring back the value. So let's delete the data and try again using an exact match. Equals VLOOKUP. This is our lookup value. This is our lookup table. Don't forget to lock it. Column number 2. And in this case, we want an exact match to our rating. And by doing that, you will notice that the data is very, very accurate because it's looking for an exact match to the word fair.